Number 2. Waterdrop G3 Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. This tankless wonder is the best of the best when it comes to water purification. Say goodbye to bulky tanks and wasted water. With a 1:1 wastewater to clean water ratio, this system stands out from the competition. With 8 levels of filtration, the Waterdrop G3 tackles everything from TDS and PFAS to chlorine and lead, all while maintaining a speedy 400-gallon per day production rate. It's like having a water treatment plant under your sink, minus the noise and hassle. One of the standout features of the G3 is its compact design. Measuring just 18 inches tall, this system takes up minimal space and eliminates the risk of bacteria growth that comes with traditional water tanks. Plus, the sleek faucet display provides real-time TDS and filter life information at your fingertips. The single-turn filter replacement system makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring that you can enjoy pure, great-tasting water without the headache of complicated upkeep. The only downside? You will need to plug this model into a standard 110-volt outlet, but the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. What I love most about the Waterdrop G3 is its efficiency and convenience. It's like having a water purification powerhouse right in your kitchen, providing clean, healthy water with minimal effort. If you're in the market for a tankless reverse osmosis system that offers top-tier filtration and user-friendly design, the Waterdrop G3 is the clear choice. Check it out and see the difference for yourself. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.